feels perfect size. I'm just gonna go out on a limb and say that he's gonna fall off too. If I can get him in, we're gonna eat that guy. Yeah. Looks tasty. At least he'll fit in the smoker. Oh, geez, Louise. Oh, he's got a little fight in him. There we go. Got him. Oh, he's perfect size for smoking, I think. I guess the Lord was just trying to tell me to hold on. He's going to get me the right one. Boy, he was not going anywhere. And I happened to hook myself. It's not that bad. Well, he's dinner. Not tonight, but tomorrow. I'm going to smoke this fish. Let's get him on a stringer. I believe I did bring a stringer. It's not a good stringer, but it's a stringer. I don't think he can go anywhere. If he does, he does. If he don't, he don't. Let's see what happens. Well, like I said, I was going to do a, I don't know. It's not a catch and clean it cook. I caught a fish and I'm going to cook it. First, I got to clean it. So, here's the fish I'm going to use today. It's one of the carp, mini carp I snagged yesterday. I'm going to try smoking it and make some tacos. Sounds delicious. I don't know. Use this smoker that's probably on its last leg. Some old feller. I don't know. It was free. We'll see what happens. But I think I'm going to chop the head off. I don't know. I'm definitely going to pull the scales and guts off. I'm going to pull the guts out. I'm going to descale it. But I don't know. Let's see what happens. Huh. That's very odd. It's been in my refrigerator all night. This sucker's still alive. 15 hours out of the water? Wow. Okay. Well, you guys are dirty. I don't know. That's better. Well, I decided I was going to start cutting the fish before I killed it. I don't know. I guess I'm just not nice to carp anyway. I didn't expect him to be alive. But washed him up. Descaled him. Cut out his guts. Well, cut his guts out, descaled him, then washed him. And you want to use a dull knife. Works better for getting the scales off. And start up here. Don't start here and try and take them all off. Start up here and start hacking your way down. Up here and start hacking your way down. Makes it easier to get the scales off. And then you have to clean a mess up. Or you just leave it. I don't know. I'll probably clean it up. Well, after picking it off, as I cleaned this fish off the bone, after I smoked it, and smelling it in the house, I'm not going to eat that. I'm going to have this instead. From Hy-Vee. fry that up. Some of these corn tortillas. And I'm going to feed that to the dog. Well, carp are good. Carp's good smoked. Try it. No, don't. Don't try it. It's bad. It's one thing I'm never going to do is smoke another carp. Either I'm bad at it, I chose the wrong carp to smoke, or carp is just terrible. And I think I'm just going to go with carp is terrible. Anyway, well, that concludes the video. Yeah, don't eat carp. It's not good. Just throw them back or smash their heads with rocks. Whatever you want to do. I don't really care. I throw them back because I don't like a stinking rotten carp carcass next to where I'm going to fish. It stinks. Don't forget to check out Fishbeard. I'll try and link his video. Wait, I'll try and link his channel below, but I'm not very good at that. Maybe Fishbeard himself will do that. You never know.